What's up guys? Today we are taking some more steps to get the 135i back on the road. We just received some new and used parts. We've got a used guard liner there. Got a suspension strap, the brake disc cover thing, and some new control arms right there. So what we don't have is, I still don't have new wheels. I'm looking for either some stock wheels or maybe some aftermarket ones. I'm not too sure. These ones cannot be used. And for the guard, I'm still just going to leave that as it is for now. Obviously, the color's different, but I showed you in the last video that it's got some damage right there, which I wasn't too happy about. What's with that? Oh yeah. And I've spent some time looking for some guards that are in good condition in the same color, and I just can't find any. I found a few others that are different colored, and they're pretty crappy as well. So for now, that will do, and we'll come back to it later, but at least it's not as bad as the original damage was. This brake caliper cover thing is really dirty and like rusted out, so I'm gonna clean that up. Got some sanding pads right there to clean that up, and also grab some of these mechanics gloves, so don't judge me. Car's already jacked up, ready to go, so we'll pull the wheel off and start fixing the suspension. That was so underwhelming.
There's something in the air.
Great success. We've got the new arm, or both of the new arms, on and tightened up, ready to go. Now if you remember me saying I did buy a new suspension arm, a strut here, this one looks pretty good, I'm not gonna lie. So what I want to do, if you see on this side, the body of the car looks pretty good there, but if you see on this side, the arm sort of come up and bent it. Right, that's why I thought that this strut might have been bad. So what I need to do is remove this strut, which means all that shit's got to come up, and then undo these bolts and just use that rubber hammer that I've been using and just knock that back down so it's straight, flat again, and then do them back up. Then it should be ready to literally put the wheels on and roll it. Now, obviously we shouldn't be using those wheels, and we're not going to, but we will have new wheels, and we'll put them on. Get shit all over me. And get it rolling. But yeah, I'll keep putting along. Little side note, you might have noticed I had all this off. I'm just trying to cover those intakes as much as I can. Look at how clean everything is. There's like no oil, no dirt, there's nothing. I mean, there's a bit of dirt here, but for the most part, because the engine's done so little Ks, everything is just clean.
It was at this moment that he knew. He fucked up.
Sick. Look at that. Bolt snapped. So that's why I thought this suspension arm might have been stuffed. And I was right. Jesus. All of them. Alright guys, the new suspension arm is on. I got that body part straightened up. I didn't bother filming this because I had to literally undo half the stuff that I just finished nipping up. So I thought I'd just quickly get it done. But that is in, which means the car should be ready to roll, literally. Obviously we're not going to drive it on those badass tires, but I can put them on and just see if the car sits nicely with what we've done. Alright guys, that is looking a lot better. We've got a wheel slightly turned. We've got a wheel slightly turned. Very nice, very nice. Now obviously we cannot start it and check the steering, but I'm not too keen on doing too much anyway because of that wheel. Yeah, I'm not too keen on moving the car too much at all with that wheel. It just looks sketchy as, but I'll find some new wheels for this car, whether they be another pair of stockies and then some aftermarkets, or we just get some aftermarkets to begin with. I don't know, let me know what you think. For today that was very successful. All the suspension work I think is done, everything that we need to do. So what we'll do next is look at the fender, look at any other roadworthy items, maybe do a service on the car, obviously get this area here fixed up, put back together, but we're making progress. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you have any questions, drop them in the comments below. Thank you again, and I'll catch you in the next one.